Just entered Tinicum Township, Pennsylvania. And this road is Lodi Hill. Big trucks are prohibited, so that means it's probably a pretty great motorcycle road. And I'm trying out my new microphone. I had one microphone, didn't seem to work out very well. There was a lot of static, and I'm hoping this one does a little bit better, a little clearer. It's supposed to be a stereo microphone, and it's wired into the GoPro. Oh, this road's gravel and steep. Let's see what we got. And wet leaves. Nice scenery. It's hard packed gravel, so that's pretty good. It's a little bit wet, slippery looking from the rain we had yesterday. And there's no big surprises on here for me like that. Okay. What a great motor on this motorcycle. It's like a tractor going up hill in out for wet leaves and mud. And look at that, I survived, made it back to pavement.